Hi students, learn phonemes. Phonetics. Phonetics is a branch of linguistics. Linguistics is a scientific study of language. Phonetics broadly deals with two aspects of human speech: production, perception. Production, the ways humans make sounds. Perception, the ways speech is understood. IPA, International Phonetic Alphabet, contains 20 vowels and 24 consonants. Out of 20 vowels, 12 monophthongs, 8 diphthongs. Monophthong means there is one vowel sound in a syllable. Example A. Diphthong means there are two vowel sounds in a syllable. Example ya. Remember that in English alphabet we call them as letters, A, B, C, D, letters. In phonetics we call them as sounds, not letters. There are totally 44 sounds present in International Phonetic Alphabet. Dear students, observe this chart which contains monophthongs, diphthongs, consonants. Now listen carefully, observe my pronunciation. A, cup, funny, bubble. This sound is A. A, car, artist, giraffe. A. A, ant, anger, angle. A. Pencil, penguin, 7. A. Observe A sound. A, armor, sailor, singer. A. A, bird, circle, girl. A. E, the sound is E. Cylinder, 6. Trigger, E. E, tree, sea, sleep. E. O, monolith, chop. O. O, door, horse, sauce. O. U, wool, book, bull. U. O, judo, food, music. O. I, Dale, tribe, days. I. Ow, growl, owl, house. Ow. A, shave, deity. A, deity, drainage. A. Stone, globe, hole. O, oil, coin. Oil. soil, loiter. You observe here oi, aya, aya, aeroplane, hair, bear, aya, iya, iya, seer, bear, a, iya, iya sound, iya, ua, tour, zuri, ua, ua sound, ua, tour, zuri. These consonants are somewhat easy. They resemble in the alphabet shape with the same pronunciation. 4 or 5 letters are different, like sha, ta, da, cha, etc. Ab, box, boy, balcony, b, d, d, dinosaur, dogs, dolphin, d, fan, family, feather, fa, g, gun, guitar, garage, g, ha, house, horse, heart, ha. Identify the sound here. Ya. This is different. Not J. This is ya. Yak. Universe. Unicorn, which is a different animal. Unicorn. K. Ka. Basket. Kites. Kettle. Ka. L. Lion. Splash. L. Postman, machine, mansion, nature, numbers, nurse, this is not na, ing, angle, sink, sing, sink, puppy, pigeon, piano, pa, rose, rhinoceros, rain, snow, smiley, spaceship, shark, ship, shark, cashew nut, shark, turtle, teeth, tomato, ta, cha. Observe this sound, cha. Chair, watch, church, cha. Ta, earth, thatch, threshold, ta. Da, feather, mother, tether, da. Va. The sound is produced by touching the tongue with the teeth. Va. Va. Sound starts from the teeth. Va. Villa. This is also wa with the tips. Wave, wafer, wave with touching the lips. Z, z, zip, zero, zebra. Zip, zero, zebra. Z. Ja, measure, treasure, ja, ja. Ja, jam, judge, jug, ja. Keep learning.